Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, today's lesson, we're going to learn how to draw one of my cartoon characters called Yo-Yo. He's from my Friendfish series, and dun, 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 if you didn't know, but now you do know, there's a comic book that you can actually download or actually purchase online. So if you like comic books and you want to learn more about my series called Friendfish, check it out. More details at the end of this video. But now, if you have your pencil and a paper, I think we're ready to learn how to draw this cute little character, Yo-Yo. All right, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Now that was a fun lesson, and I hope you enjoyed it. Well, what can you learn from this lesson? My series, Friendfish, and you're going to be learning a lot more of the characters, and I'm going to be showing you how to actually draw them as well. And some secret animation going to be coming up pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. So if you like my characters, make sure you actually check out my website. That's jmg-studio.biz for that comic book that I showed you. This one, dun, 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 this one, and many other items that you can actually purchase. So I want to say thanks for checking out this video, and have a great day. Hey, I'm John-Marc, and I have some exciting news to share with you. I just finished publishing my latest comic book, Friendfish. If you like family-friendly content, this comic book and the series is perfect for you. Well, where do you get it? 2 places. Amazon.com. Just type in my name, John-Marc wrote, or go to my website. That's jmg-studio.biz. I know you're going to enjoy it. Thanks a lot.